So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video we will talk about how to see repost on Instagram. For this, open the Play Store app on your device. Now at the bottom tap on the search option and search for Instagram. Now update it if not, and after it open the Instagram app. Now at the bottom right corner tap on the profile icon. Now, under your profile and bio, you will see your posts and reel. Along with this, you will able to see a repost tab here. Tap on it. This option is only available if you have already reposted your own or others' post on Reels. Now, you can view, undo, repost, and share this with your friends. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.